So I woke up to this horrible news of ETF. ETF is a nightmare already for me. I'm, if you say, totally against this thing, but it has destroyed people. Let me show you the news and then I'll talk about it. So I woke up to this notification from CoinMarketCap, and this fake news has been spread by Cointelegraph. SEC approved iShares Spot ETF reportedly, but actually what they had done was SEC approves iShare Bitcoin Spot ETF. They used reportedly later, okay? And the Cointelegraph has made 9 figures from this insider trading, okay? From spreading this fake news, this is how much they have made. On the surface, it's $2.2 million, okay? But they have actually made 9 figures because they spread this fake news. And look at this candle. Okay, this is 1 hour candle. It's not a big time frame. It went to 30,300 and it came back to 27,700, which was our resistance. It dropped down by $3,000 because of this fake news. And Cointelegraph has shamelessly spread this fake news, made hundreds of millions of dollars of it and their friends and family. And this is why I always say to use stop loss. Someone was fighting with me yesterday on the live, the XRP master or something. All those people, the moment I see XRP in someone's name, I pretty much lose credibility for them in all forms. Not because XRP is a bad project, because it indicates that it's a cult that have zero understanding of any financial market. And they were arguing with me saying that you don't need to use stop loss, because when you are using stop loss, what happens is that you lose your money. But if it is a market like this where everyone is spreading fake news, fake crap, every article out there can be manipulated. You saw what happened with Cointelegraph. The only thing that they can do right now, as I mentioned in my Telegram, is that now they will come out and say that we were hacked. This is the only excuse that they can come up with, and they can say that they were hacked. Let me show you. So you see, this is what I just posted in my Telegram. That doesn't matter. People have lost their wealth. Hundreds of millions of dollars have been liquidated over exchanges. People have lost money just because of this fake news. And this is why I personally stay away from news. I don't believe in news. I don't trade news. I believe in news only if it is economical or financial. Otherwise, it's always a pump and dump, and people will always pay these kind of people to manipulate it. And in this case scenario, of course, it was an insider news. They were going to make money out of it themselves as well. And to be very frank with you, why is ETF such a big thing? Why does it matter? It got approved, so what? But anyway, the thing is that always use stop losses. Don't believe in news that much. It doesn't matter who is the source. Forbes article is for $3,000. Yahoo Finance is for $2,500. All these are payable. All this is just fake. Everyone takes money. Everyone takes money for their articles. Never believe in them. And I'm going to make a separate video on XRP and its life over the news, because this is another thing that I've noticed about XRP, is that XRP has only pumped whenever there had been news. And I'm going to cover that in a separate video as how manipulative people can get. Let me just a second. Let me just show you a glimpse of it. So I have a full-fledged report on it. So basically, all these pumps that were later on dumped in the life of XRP in 2023, all these pumps were based on news. And all the whales, they sell on news, while the retailers, they buy on news. They always do the reverse. And unfortunately, it's the same case with pretty much with every news out there. So please be careful, always use stop loss and don't fall for the news. They are manipulating the market. It's always the whales and krakens who manipulate market by the news. This one was just horrible. This one was so unethical that I cannot begin to explain. This people from Cointelegraph should be put in jail. If I have to stretch it to that level, I think they should be in jail for running something like this. But of course, they would have already prepared by saying that their Telegram was their Twitter was hacked or some other story. Because if they are doing hundreds of millions of dollars of scam, insider trading, okay, then of course they would have a strategy or a backup story in place. And again, always use stop loss. If you are doing it on spot, you're doing it in future. You never know how these people will manipulate the market against you. And it will drop so badly or it will pump so badly that you would wonder what happened. $3,000 in a coin like Bitcoin is a big deal because it's hundreds of billions of dollars market cap. Pushing that needs a lot of money. And all the whales who were looking for an exit, you all gave them a perfect exit. All this candle that you see that have all these cells in 1 hour, everyone got out. Now it's all going to be retailers market and it's going to be a nightmare. And things have become so challenging now to evaluate because of this. But I wanted to come out and let you know that please always be careful with these news-based situations. Try not to participate them because you might end up burning your hands, which was the case scenario here. They spread a fake news and then everyone came out who had relied on them saying that it was fake news. So first they said it was real news, then they said it's fake news, and you can imagine what happened to everyone.